It's 11 p.m. You're in bed, scrolling. You weren't shopping. You didn't need anything. And yet, tap, something's on its way to your door. What just happened? Your phone happened. That device in your hand is the most sophisticated spending machine ever built, engineered by teams whose entire job is to remove every reason for you to say no. In the next few minutes, I'll expose the exact tricks, and I'll show you the settings that fight back. This is Maya. Years ago, buying something took effort. Find your wallet, type a long card number, confirm, wait.
Was friction. And friction gives your rational brain time to wake up and say, wait, do I actually want this? Your phone erased all of it. Saved cards, one-tap checkout, Face ID. Now the gap between the impulse and the purchase is less than a second. There's no time for second thoughts because there are no more steps. The app didn't make you want more, it just removed every chance for you to change your mind. Now, the feed itself, that endless scroll is built on the exact same psychology as a slot machine. Every swipe is a pull of the lever, and you never know when the next perfect product will appear. That unpredictability is called variable reward, and it's the most addictive pattern known to psychology.
Mix in personalized ads that show you things you were literally just thinking about, and the feed becomes a machine that manufactures desire on demand. You didn't come to buy. The feed's job is to make you want something you didn't know existed 30 seconds ago. Then there are the nudges. Your cart is waiting. Only 2 left. Flash sale ends in an hour. These notifications aren't reminders, they're triggers, time to pull you back exactly when your guard is down. They manufacture urgency and fear of missing out, over and over. And every ping trains you to check, to look, to want. I told you there's a way to fight back, and it's simpler and more powerful than you'd think. Here it is.
The secret is to put the friction back. 3 settings. 1, delete your saved cards from shopping apps. Forcing yourself to physically get up and type the number restores that priceless pause, and half your impulse buys will die right there. 2, turn off all shopping and marketing notifications. No trigger, no urge. 3, log out of shopping apps or move them off your home screen into a folder. Out of sight genuinely means out of mind. Maya did all 3. Her late-night mystery packages basically stopped, not through willpower, but by rebuilding the speed bumps her phone had bulldozed.
You can't out-discipline a machine. You have to redesign it. But even with every setting locked down, there's a moment when logic vanishes completely, and you buy before your brain can catch up. That split-second urge has a name and a very specific psychology behind it. In the next video, I'll break down exactly what's happening in your brain during an impulse buy, and the 10-minute rule that defeats it every time. Hit subscribe so you're there.